Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laptop stands that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Grovemade Wood Laptop Riser. One of Grovemade's clever design decisions was to include a pair of holes in the aluminum part of this frame, which allows you to thread your charging cable through it. This is a nice touch that can help clean desk clutter and give you easy cable management. Aluminum laptop stands can scratch the bottom of your computer. Grovemade accounted for this and covered the top of this stand with soft felt. The company offers its stand in walnut or maple finishes, so select the one that best fits the color of your desk and other tech accessories. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 12 South HiRise. 12 South's HiRise was designed to match the aesthetics of Apple's laptops, and while it'll look best with a Mac, it'll work just as well with a PC. The all-aluminum laptop stand can be height adjusted between 3.7 and 5.6 inches, which doesn't seem like a lot. However, that makes a big difference when it comes to comfort. The top of this laptop stand's V-shaped arms is covered with rubber, which will prevent the bottom of your laptop from getting scratched. This design has the added benefit of promoting constant airflow to keep your computer from overheating. At number 3, we have the Satechi Universal Vertical Aluminum Laptop Stand. There are many vertical laptop stands available, but this one from Satechi has a unique design that helps it stand out. The stand's grips can be widened or tightened by twisting a knob on its right side. This allows the stand to grab your laptop snugly to prevent it from tipping over while in use. Satechi says its laptop stand is compatible with laptops between 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches, which basically covers about every laptop on the market. This laptop stand is made entirely from aluminum, except for the inside of its grips, which are lined with rubber to prevent it from scratching the lip of your computer. Your laptop will take up way less of your desktop's real estate with the help of this vertical laptop stand. That space can be used for other peripherals like a 4K monitor or wireless mechanical keyboard. At number 2, we have the MOFT Invisible Slim Laptop Stand. If you like the idea of having a laptop stand everywhere you go, MOFT's Invisible option is right for you. The ultra-slim laptop stand attaches to the underside of your computer using an adhesive. It's thin and light enough that you'll still be able to fit it in the laptop pocket of a backpack, and won't notice it while you're walking around. When you need the laptop stand, you can flip it out and set your computer at a 15 or 25-degree angle. It can't be height adjusted, but we're glad this laptop stand has that ergonomic feature. If you're worried about MOFT's laptop stand being a permanent addition to your computer, don't be. You can peel this stand off of your computer at any time, though its adhesive will become less sticky over time. And finally, at number 1, we have the Basics Aluminum Portable Laptop Stand. Amazon Basics Aluminum Portable Laptop Stand lives up to its name, but in this case, basic doesn't mean bad. Its kickstand flips out from the bottom to position your laptop at an 18-degree angle while lifting it by roughly 3 inches. When you're not using it, the kickstand can be retracted to save space. Layers of rubber on the front and back of this stand will prevent it from shifting around on your desk while you're using it. This is especially important with an angled stand since you'll likely be using your laptop's keyboard with it. Amazon designed its laptop stand with cutouts that both reduce its weight and leave wide open spaces for air to flow in and out continuously. This is a design feature that we wouldn't expect from a laptop stand that costs far less than $20.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.